Hey, this is Scott from ABC Locksmith and Security, Hamilton, Ontario. And I just want to show you, I have a key that works in this gate lock. But I don't have a key that works in this door here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to key the key for the gate lock to work in this. And it's very simple because they both have Wiser smart key. It could be quick set smart key, any smart key lock, and you can tell a smart key lock, but it has a little hole right here on the side of the lock, right there. If it has that, it's a smart key lock, and you can recode it very easy. And I'm going to show you how right now. Stay tuned, watch this video. Okay, we have another video here from ABC Locksmith and Security Hamilton, and I want to show you what we have here is a Wiser smart key lock. What do you do if you don't have a working key? So I'm going to show you what to do now. So what you want to do is just take the two screws out of the back that's holding it on. Very simple, very easy. And just hold this lock so it doesn't fall out. There, you take the lock off the door. Take the cylinder core out. Okay, here we have our cylinder, and I'm just going to show you how to take this apart now. You can take it right out by removing this here, and the whole cylinder will slide out the front. Just have to pry this up. Actually, you know what, I'll just show you how to do it. You don't have to do this, but let me show you here. Just pry that out like this. Pull that off. And now the cylinder should slide right out the front. A little stiff. Okay. Then what you want to do is remove this C-clip here. So the best way to do it is just to pry it from each side. And you'll see it'll get started right there, and then I just like to pry it up. You gotta be careful you don't break these. They're a little soft, so I would like to pry them from both sides. Soft isn't the word, brittle is the word. They're a little brittle because it's like a hardened steel. Not terribly brittle, but just be careful with them. That's what the clip looks like there. You can see this slot goes into the tailpiece there and actually controls the tailpiece, so you want to make sure it goes back together correctly and you don't break that. This part goes right here. Now what you can do is, most of the time you can get any key, we'll be able to pull this out, this cylinder out, even a non-working key. And you have to hold all the pieces, because inside here there's a spring here, there's a spring here, and when you have the right key it depresses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to take it off like this. And I'm keeping pressure. Under here's the sidebar, and what you want to do is you want to line up all these little grooves here. Let's see if I can show you. So the way this work locks, that sidebar falls into all these grooves here. So what you want to do is make sure they all line up like that. So let me just do that here. See how all those grooves line up in that side, in that slot. So you want to try to keep them pins from falling. If they fall out, you can put them back in, but it's easier. And what you want to do is have a key already in here. And this is called a smart key system, because if you have a working key, you can rekey it without having to take the lock apart. And so what we do now is we will line that spring up, we push it to the back of the lock, and you depress the sidebar here, and then you just move it back and forth like this. And now the lock is rekeyed. Put it in there. Looks like I put it in the wrong way because the key's not coming out. So what you do is you just slide it out, hold it together, flip it over, and see the key turns in the lock. And so what happens here is when you have the right key in the lock, the sidebar will fall in because all those slots line up. All those pins line up, and that sidebar can fall in there. And that's it. They just rekeyed the lock without a key. Put the cap back on. Put the tailpiece back in there. And then you take the C-clip. Put it on there like that. Snap it into place, and there you go. A rekeyed cylinder. Just like that. Put it back in the lock. For some reason this lock's a little tight, but it goes back in like that. Put your clip back in the top. And that's it. Put the lock back together, and that's how you rekey a smart key lock if you have no keys. If you like our videos, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.